But I want to talk to Caleb. Can I? Okay. 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 Love you. Bye. So, we're taking another video. Why are we taking another video, dude? Or are you even taking a video? Are you taking a video? Dude, I have a great idea. A really great idea. Well, I will be back. Hey, dude. Hey, dude.
How much money does that cost?
No money.
Huh?
No money. Huh?
You scared me.
Huh?
It doesn't cost any money.
We prom.
No. Don't keep them entertained anymore.
Sit, puppy dog. Puppy dog.
No, dude, I have a great idea.
No puppy dog.
Dude, you're already gonna get the skin off.
Puppy dog.
Maybe some extra
Puppy dog. Puppy dog.
What?
I don't have any more pillows. Those are my only pillows. He took all of them. The puppy dog took all of them. AKA, it's a game. Just so you know. Just so you know.
Point
Okay.
the camera at me.
Go.
No, you gotta hold it.
No.
I am.
Stop or wanna?
Wait. Oh, and I forgot to say hi.
Sorry, she's annoying sometimes.
I'm about to jump on the bed. Where's Matthew?
Oh, he took his action. Yeah, man.
You guys got an hour before bedtime.
Okay.
I took his action. Yeah.
I am about to jump through pillows.
Me too.
See? Move.
Goodbye.
Don't say goodbye. He's crazy.
Move.
Oh, and his name is Crazy Billy.
No, I'm not.
Bam, 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 bam.
His name is Cuckoo Tristan. See? He just did a cuckoo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
What you doing there?
See you later. Do the jump. Do the jump.
See y'all later.
Goodbye.